Hi guys, in freestyle riding it's not only about wheelies, there are also other really nice tricks like surfing on your bike. To do a surfer you can go in neutral, the other way is to go on high idle speed. There are several positions on the bike for surfing. You can stand on the tank, you can stand on the seat or crosswise on the bike. Standing on the seat is maybe the easiest way to learn a surfer. You should release the handlebar only for a short moment in the beginning, and later when you feel safe you can stand up in full extension. Don't go too slowly, it's very important to have some speed because the speed of your bike gives stability. You can do a surfer on any street bike, you need no special modifications.